Hey guys, welcome back to the Critterverse. Today we are making a plate. Now I have already made a few of these. It's just a, plate, saucer, dish, whatever you want to call it. Oh, that one's wet, so it's sticking. Red, blue, oh, he's sparkly, and yellow, and there is a green sparkly one too. So we're gonna make another color because I'm missing orange and I am missing purple. So today we're gonna make orange. I got this mold off of Amazon. I'll have to look it up to see where exactly from. It came with, I think it came with another mold. Maybe it didn't. I don't know. Honestly, I can't remember if I got it from Amazon or Temu. But at any rate, I have 4 ounces of resin mixed up. And now, from past experience, this mold is notorious for little bubbles around this part. So I'm just going to go around and spray it with some alcohol just to try to, keep that from happening as much. And then I'm just going to go around the inside of the rim and make sure that everything is all moist. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my cheap art alcohol ink in orange. Got this on Amazon in a set of, I think, like 20 or so. It's really good stuff. I like it. And I'm just going to drip orange into the lip of the mold. Sort of like a reverse alcohol ink pour, I guess. Next thing I'm going to go in with is Ranger Ginger. Do basically the same thing. Yep. And then the last color I'm going to use is Ranger Latte. I'm really excited, guys. I have a new camera rig coming tomorrow that I will be able to do like overhead shots from now on instead of this terrible side angle, which I'm really excited about. Actually, why did I put those away? Because you're silly. I'm going to put some orange here. But this rig that I found is really cool. It just clamps onto the side of my desk so I can take it off if I want to. And it has a big swing arm on it that is articulated, so very excited. So hopefully not quite as low budget content coming soon to a Critterverse near you. So now that I have my colors all in there, I am going to pour, oh, and I ran this resin through my Resiner's Airless just to, again, try to mitigate some bubbles. And man, that thing is so cool. Ooh. So what I'm going to do now is I am just going to pour in the middle of my mold and let the resin take over. And this is going to mix the colors all by itself. Look at that. Perfect 4 ounces in this plate mold. So now what we're going to do is wait. Just wait for this to cure. I'm going to give it some time to, you know, move around and think about stuff and whatnot, and then I will turn on the heat mat and we will put its little hat on and let it cure, and I will be back when we demold. So I will see you then. Cheers. Right, it's time to demold, and with this particular mold, and I did find where I got it from. I got it from Amazon. So I'll try to remember to put the link in the description. But with this particular mold, I do find it easier to demold the plate when it's still a bit bendy, just because the lip comes up so high and the rim itself is so wide that it is a bit tricky to get out. But you can, and then just finish, you know, you want to wait until you can, you know, touch it and not leave marks or anything like that. So it's mostly cured. Let me just loosen this up. All right, and then, I know this is going to look a bit weird, but just flip it out. There you go. Flip my mold back in place, and look at that. Let me get a piece of paper that's a bit of a lighter color so you can see a little bit better. Look at that. With the different colors, and you can see little swirls in it. There's some really cool patterning up here. Yeah. So it's a cool little plate mold. It does have, you know, some bubbles in it just because, like I said earlier, you know, bubbles do get tend to trap in there even after running it through the debubbler. But, you know, you can really only see them because it's clear. If you had an opaque color in it, or if you were using Jasmonite or EcoPore, you know, insert eco-friendly resin alternative here, then you wouldn't see them, so it wouldn't be a big deal. But at any rate, there you go. So let me know what you think. Leave me a comment, drop me a like, do all that fun stuff. Subscribe if you haven't done it yet, because I'm always doing fun stuff. And yeah, so that's it. Thanks so much. See you next time. Take care. Cheers.